Hey there, this is Kamalesh from RasterFx. Today in PicsArt we are going to see how to create an amazing outdoor photography within just 8 minutes. So without any further ado, let's get started.
I've touched your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me.
First, go to Tools and select Adjust. Then increase the brightness to 20% and go to Contrast and increase the contrast to around 20 to 30. And then go to Highlights and increase the highlights a little bit. Then select Shadows. In Shadows we are going to bring back the details from the shadow, so that we need to increase the shadows. So increase the shadows to around 22%. And then go to Temperature and increase the temperature to 5%. And then click Check. Now we are going to remove the subject from the background. Before removing the subject from the background, kindly save this image. Now go to Tools and select Clone. Using Clone, I am going to remove the subject. After removing the subject, click Check. Here the sky is not so dramatic, so I am going to add sky photo. To add photo, go to Add Photo and select Sky Photos from here. Then click Add. Then scale up the image. Then select Eraser tool, decrease the hardness to 15 and increase the size to 80. Now click Check. Now go to Blend Modes and change the blend mode to Multiply. Then click Check. Now we are going to add some blur to this image. To add blur, go to FX, select Blur and select Lens Blur. In Lens Blur, reduce the radius to around 15 and reduce the lightness to around 10. Now select Eraser tool. Decrease the hardness to 40 and increase the size to 40. Now just paint it here to remove the blur and bring back the field of depth. Now click Check. Now we are going to add that smoke effect. To add that smoke effect, go to Draw, select Draw. Here open our layer panel and create an empty layer like this. Select color and change our brush color to white and select brush properties, increase the size to 128 pixel, decrease the opacity to 12 and select the hardness and reduce the hardness to 1% and enable the zoomability. Then click Set. Now close the layers panel and then zoom out our image and paint like this. And then click Check. Now go to Add Photo, select our subject photo and then click Add. Now fit our subject to the background. And then click Razor. Here select person and refine your photo. And then click Check. Now go to Draw and select Draw. Here open Layers panel and create two empty layers. Now select our subject layer and click Color and select Pick Color. Here pick the color from the hair and select the brush settings and reduce the size to 1 pixels, increase the opacity and increase the hardness and enable the zoomability and then click Set. Now close the layers and go to Face and just draw hairs like this. Now open layers panel and select the first layer. Click the color button and select yellow color. And then click check. Now select the brush, increase the size, reduce the opacity to around 15 and reduce the hardness to 1% and then click set. Now draw like this. Now open layers panel and select the second layer. Select color and change the color to white and click check and draw like this. Now open the layer panel and select color and select pick color and pick the color from the sky. Then zoom and just paint like this. Now reduce the opacity of our second layer to around 50. Now go to our third layer and reduce the opacity to around 50. Change the blend mode to lighten and change the blend mode of our second layer to lighten. And then click check. Now go to FX. Select FX from here and select vignette. In vignette, change the color to white and increase the size to around 70 or 80 and increase the fade. Now click check. Then this is before and this is after. And this is how we have created the amazing outdoor photography effect within just 8 minutes in PicsArt. If you really like this video, kindly click the thumbs up button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. If you have any doubt in PicsArt, kindly mention it in comments. Thank you friends.